Mastering Deviate. Understand its meaning and usage. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English word, deviate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it in sentences, and some common phrases associated with it. Let's begin. Deviate is a verb which means to turn away or move away from an established course or norm. Think of it as straying from a set path or standard. When something or someone deviates, they're not following the usual or expected course. Example: the airplane had to deviate from its course due to bad weather. It's rare for him to deviate from his daily routine. 1. Physical direction. Referring to an actual, tangible movement away from a certain path or direction. Example: the river begins to deviate to the east after the mountain range. 2. Behaviors and standards. Referring to behaviors or actions that move away from what is usual or expected. Example: she tends to deviate from traditional methods in her teaching. 3. Ideas and opinions. Referring to beliefs or thoughts that are different from a common or established viewpoint. Example: his theories often deviate from mainstream science. 1. Deviation. This noun form of the word refers to the act or instance of deviating. It emphasizes the difference or distance from a norm or standard. Example: the deviation from the average temperature was quite noticeable today. 2. Deviant. This can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, it describes something or someone that deviates, especially from what is considered normal. As a noun, it refers to a person who shows such behavior. Example: 3. The scientist's deviant findings were controversial. 4. Some might consider him a deviant because of his unusual habits. 5. Without deviation. A phrase meaning without any change or difference. Example: he completed the task without deviation from the instructions. There you have it. We've explored the word deviate in detail. Remember, it's all about moving or turning away from a certain path, standard, or norm. We hope this video helps you understand and use the word confidently in your conversations. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.